Hey guys, it's Mr. B here. So today we've got a Mitsubishi Raider and we're having issues with the hood latch. So when you go to open the hood, you can pull on the hood latch there, or the hood lever, and the hood doesn't pop. So if you go over to the front and pull on the hood, then it will open, but you can't do it by yourself. So sometimes literally all it is the hood latch assembly isn't quite lined up. So you can see here where there's a washer mark, and this piece is a little bit adjustable. So all you really got to do is, at least in this instance, is loosen up the bolt or both bolts and then reposition the latch, because there's a square there where you can move it a little bit, right like that. Tighten those back up. And the other thing too is sometimes on these latches they like to get caught. Sometimes they get rusty, and all you got to do is take some WD-40 and a screwdriver and move that latch back and forth and get it to move around. Sometimes you can salvage them. This one's brand new, and it just wasn't quite lined up right. So in this case, that's all that it needs. So I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood, and I'll show you guys that it works. See, now it pops just by pulling the latch, and now you don't have to have two people to pull up on the hood and get that latch to work at the same time. So if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more.